Okay, so with the full belly, there's one last stop to make. Next door at the Blanco Bowling Club. This place is like a time capsule, full of wood paneling, hand scoring, and a version of bowling now relegated to just a few private clubs across Texas. 9-pin. And this is club president John Deckert. So I understand this is like an old German tradition, is that right?
That's what I understand. It originated in Germany.
Okay.
And came over into this country from Germany.
And so that makes sense why it's in the hill country then, all the Germans.
Right.
On weekdays, bowling is members only. But on Saturdays, they let the public back into this sacred bastion of bowling tradition. Might as well give it a shot. Beyond being one pin less than regular bowling, pins are also set up in a diamond, not a triangle. And while knocking them all down is good, if you can leave the middle one standing, bonus points.
Look at here.
Oh! Bowlers also play in teams of 6, so the guy behind you has to clean up whatever you've left. But the guy who cleans up for everyone is the pin setter. This is where all the young guys start. Tonight, that's Wes, who has one of the most dangerous jobs in Texas. Graffiti and everything, like there have been people doing this for decades now. You're part of a legacy of pin setters.
There's graffiti from 2005 and back.
All the way in 2005. How young are you again, man?
14.
Yeah. I like how there are no mechanics back here at all. Like nothing. The ball's not automated, pin setting's not automated. Wes is the machine. All right, next 9, I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna see if I can beat your time. Oh! Non-ringer. Good job.
Never gonna make it.
Come on. I'm breathing heavy, man. I'm breathing like sucking wind. I think I'll leave this to the youngsters and stick with bowling, which I'm not that great at either. I don't know. Maybe I'm not German enough for this 9-pin stuff. Man, I can't hit anything. Because you're doing it all wrong. What? Yes, your Hüften and Beine part is terrible. Hüften and what? Yes, your hips and your footwork. Oh, you're embarrassing the entire motherland. Give me a ball, I'll show you. Take the ball. You cradle the ball. Then you throw the ball toward the pins. Now, show me. You cradle the ball. Oh, you're so bad. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.